Hi people, goeiedag mensen. Met die pushers, pilot shaft pushers. Nee. Inzet assenbus met die kruk as dit storie voor dit beste. Dan gaan ons hier naartoe. Dit, ik hoop het gaan niet. Iets doen met op the lens spat nie. I hope it doesn't splatter on the lens. Okay, so to get the pushing out, the pilot shaft push. Here I have a shaft, pilot shaft. So one with a seal. I ground cut the thing off, ground it off. The gear part of it. So put some paper, nut papier. Put the newspaper in the water. It's wet now. And I press it into the hole of where the pushing is. I hope for the best, because the last one came out difficult. It's very difficult to get them out. If you don't have a puller to pull it out, you get a thing with a hook that claws out to the outside, and then you hammer it with a pulling hammer. You rip it out. Maar kyk of ons die indruk. See if we can press it in here. Right. Hammer on here. So far, not good. So far, niet goed. Want come in. That's the seal. Die olie grease seal het uitgekom. Die een is kapot. Gooi maar weg daar. So. Now put some more paper in. Wet paper. Nat papier insit. This is how I get all the bushers or bearings out of the crankshaft. Some of the modern cars use a ball bearing, ball arrestor, and that's exactly the same method you use to get that out too. Kap hem met 'n nat papier. Kap jy dit uit. Zo. Zet in het papier aan. nader kyk. Bietjie offer daar so, kom so. Bietjie nader. So. Alright. Nou is dit in die pad. Van die hamer. Pull it out. Put some more paper in. So nog 'n bietjie meer papier in. So. Alright. En ons gaan vir 'n bietjie kap. Nog 'n bietjie. A little bit more paper. Wet paper. Nat papier. Newspaper. Paper toweling. Toilet paper. Doesn't matter. Soft type of paper. Sagte papier. Sag wanneer dit nat is. When it's wet, it must be soft. Not a cardboard paper. Nie 'n karton papier. It mustn't go onto the paper. Alright. Nou 'n stukkie papier, another piece of paper. Alright. Stop. Oh, it's windy. Baie winderig. Baie winderig. Windy. Okay. Now you just have to scratch the paper out, and then you can take a new bush and hammer it in there, and just use a taper thing, a big drilling bit, a dik boorpunt met 'n taper, chamfer tipe besig punt, of wat ook al dit is, gereedskap. Maak jy dit net skoon waar dit gebeur het, toe jy hom ingekap het. And if it burned a little bit, you just hammer cut the burning off of it. Okay, so ek gaan net nou met 'n papier uitkrap daar met 'n draad. I'm going to use a wire to just scratch that out. So this is the way you take it out. It's kind of loose on it. It's not solid on the shaft. Check the other brushes. They're all loose on the shaft. Right, dit is allemaal los op die as. Het is nie styf op deze as nie. Die ene het heel veel speling. Heel veel. Sien baie speling deze. Die ene het ek die baie type weggeding as. Maar het sal nog werk. It will still work. Took the taper, see, that makes it, it's like tapered. The difference you can see. You can see die verskil hoe die getaper het. Kyk. Die ene is dikker hier, daai dunner. En ek het dit afgesny, toe raak die bus nou 'n bietjie korter. Well, that doesn't matter, dit maak is veel saak nie. So hele stuk afgesny daar so. Cut the whole piece off because it's taper. Left with a thicker piece of part there from here to there. So that point there is a little bit more tapered. That too. And it's done. Okay. 3 bushes, 4 bushes, 3.5 bushes or whatever. 3.5 buste. En dan heb jy die skoonmaak nou. Einde van deze video. End of this video, einde van die video. Van die pasta. En dan sê tot ziens van deze video. Say bye bye from this video. Thanks for viewing. I hope I can load it up because I made the one with the brakes of the truck there. I had to take the truck tire wheels off, and what I've done there, I had to grind the shoes a little bit to get them on because the guys didn't radius it for me, so it was a little bit thick. It was a bit thick, so it was nie drum oor nie. The drums couldn't go over the shoes, so I had to take the shoes off and grind it and put the drum back. It took a long time, and the video was longer than 3 hours. The video was longer than 3 ure, so I had to take a video discard. Ek het die video weggegooi. Dus delete it. Gaan dit nie oplaai nie, is weg die video nou. Deleted the video of the brakes on the truck. There. The Isuzu truck. Isuzu truck. TLD 45 truck. Yeah. Tot ziens. Bye bye, tot ziens. Stay safe, bly veilig. Goed gaan. Go well.